Welcome to More Than Excel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a new profile for Outlook and sign in with a Microsoft 365 email using the mail service from Control Panel. Let's jump in. Hello everyone, welcome to morethanexcel.com. My name is Mahmoud Basyouni. If you just joined us, please subscribe or follow our pages, and surely do not forget to like our content. To begin, click on the Start button, then type Control Panel in the search bar and click on it. The Control Panel window will open. Make sure that the View By is set to large or small icons. In the Control Panel, click on Mail Microsoft Outlook. In the Mail Setup Outlook window, click on Show Profiles under the Profiles section. In the Mail window, click on Add to create a new profile. Enter a profile name and click OK. In the Add New Account window, select Manual Setup or Additional Server Types and click on Next. In the Microsoft 365, enter your email address, then click Next. In the Microsoft Windows, double-check your email address and click Next. When asked for your password, enter it. And click Sign In. Click OK to be signed in across all apps. Then click Done. And finish. In the Mail Settings window, under Always Use This Profile, change it to your new profile. Then click OK. That's it. You have created a new profile for Outlook and signed in with a Microsoft 365 email. I hope that was a clear step-by-step tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to More Than Excel for more helpful tutorials. See you soon in morethanexcel.com.